how I use my new V-shaped rechargeable face brush. It's made of really soft silicone fibers, so it's gentle on the skin. So you can use this side to cleanse. This side has little grooves, which helps your serums absorb into the face. And then of course we have the nice little roller side, which helps to just contour and lift the face. First, I'm gonna splash my face with some water and apply my favorite cleanser. I'm gonna wet my brush a little bit and then I'm gonna turn it on. You can see the light turns on. And the more you press it, the faster it vibrates. I don't want it too fast. I don't need that deep of a cleanse. So I'm gonna leave it at the 3rd level. And then you're just gonna take it, gentle pressure, and go around in circles. I like to really get into my eyebrows, make sure there's no sweat or makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off and show you how I use the other sides. Now we're ready for some serums. I'm just gonna pat it into the skin. And now I'm gonna use the side with the grooves and just kind of go up the face. Again, very gentle pressure, and it just feels so nice. It's like a little massage for your face. I'm gonna go ahead and use the fun little roller side. Now this is more for contouring, helps with lifting. So it's just helping with that lymphatic drainage. If you're somebody who wakes up with puffy under eyes, this is great. Just very gently roll out. Follow that groove of the cheekbone. Again, I feel like this is the perfect size. You can do the jawline. If you're somebody with laugh lines that bother you, take it right up that way. You can even take it down the neck. This is where our lymph nodes drain all that fluid. So you just want to take it down. You don't need a lot of pressure when we're moving lymphatic fluid. So this is perfect, that light vibration. And then I'll just turn it off. And then I'll just wash this with soap and water and put it to sit on the little base that it comes with while it's charging. Letting it air dry really makes sure that there's no bacteria buildup, but that's how I use my V-shaped rechargeable face brush.